Each day, YouTube Shorts, TikTok clips, and Instagram videos are rapidly going viral, amassing countless views and generating income for their creators with ease. The key is to produce content that is both unique and captivating. In this video, I'll reveal a fresh approach to video creation and introduce an exciting new niche. So, let's get started right away. Check out this channel. It shares intriguing facts about different locations. By using an AI-generated script and Google Earth Studio, this account is attracting a massive number of views. The best part is, it doesn't require showing your face. Let's go through the steps to create videos like these. First, we need to pick a location for our video that has a 3D view on Google Earth. To get some ideas, I'll ask ChatGPT for a list of 50 places. Here's the prompt I'll use. I need 50 visually appealing venue ideas that are likely to go viral. In addition to visual appeal, locations must have an interesting story to make the video engaging. Locations must also be viewable in 3D view in Google Earth. After receiving the list from ChatGPT, we'll choose a location and create a script for it. Again, using ChatGPT for script writing. You can use this prompt for scripts. You can find it in the description. Just change the name of the place you want. Write a 60-second viral education script about Dubai Marina, UAE, modern skyscrapers alongside a beautiful marina. Focus on educating the viewer about the location as much as possible. Make sure the script is engaging with a good, quick hook that will force the viewer to watch. The script should hook you in the first 3 seconds. The script should only include the voice, not the editing direction or stage direction. Have paragraph breaks that stay within the 60-second limit. Do not do a countdown. Do not include an outro or summary. Do not use emojis. Start with a shocking statement or question that acts as a hook. Make it dramatic and shock the viewer. Use language that a high schooler could understand. Keep all information factually correct. Make it as interesting as possible. Next, we'll create the video using Google Earth Studio. Start by visiting the Google Earth Studio website, linked in the video description, signing up, and logging in with your credentials. This is essential for accessing the tools to produce captivating flyover visuals that complement your script and voiceover. Once logged in, click on the drop-down menu under the blank template button. Browse through the available templates and choose one that suits your video. On the next page, you can manually set the positions, but I'll search for our chosen location. Once found, click the Next button. You'll then be able to set the positions and parameters of your video. Experiment with these settings and finalize the values, then hit the Next button again. Here, set the video duration. I'll choose 30 seconds. Proceed to the Preview panel where you can customize the view or add elements like 3D buildings, adjust the environment time, and more. If you'd like a detailed tutorial on using Google Earth Studio, let me know in the comments. Now, we need to customize the project settings. Google Earth Studio generates videos in the default 16:9 aspect ratio, but we need a 9:16 ratio. To adjust this, go to the File menu, select Project Settings, unlock the video resolution, and enter 1080 by 1920. Then, click Done. To download the video, click the Render button, name your video, and set the Google Earth attribution position. Once everything is configured, click the Save button. Google Earth will take some time to render the video. In the meantime, you can start creating another video from a different perspective. After rendering is complete, download your videos. Our video is now ready. Next, we need to create a voiceover and edit it using a video editor. I'll use CapCut for this purpose. If you don't have CapCut installed, you can use the web version. Start by importing the Google Earth-generated video into CapCut and adding it to the timeline. Now we need to include the voiceover. You can either record your own voice or use text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs, Murph, or Lovo. I'll use 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. After creating an account on 11 Labs, choose a voice actor, paste the script, and adjust the voice settings. Configure the voice stability and other parameters, then click Generate. Our voiceover is now ready. Download the voiceover, import it into CapCut, and add it to the audio timeline. If the voiceover length doesn't match the video, adjust the video duration by changing the speed. Enhance the video with effects and stickers, and you can also add stock footage from the Stock Material tab. With the visuals ready, add captions to the video. Navigate to the Caption tab, select the Auto Caption option, choose the video language, and click Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions. Then, go to the Preset Settings tab, select Templates, and choose the best caption style. Our captions are now complete. Lastly, add background music to the video. CapCut has music options, but I recommend using tracks from the YouTube audio library or a copyright-free source like Pixabay. Adjust the volume accordingly, and once everything is set, click the Export button. Our video is saved to our device. Let's watch it.
Imagine a place where futuristic skyscrapers touch the sky and the sea glistens with luxury yachts. Welcome to Dubai Marina. Did you know that this stunning urban oasis was built on a man-made canal stretching over 2 miles? It's home to some of the tallest residential buildings in the world, including the iconic Cayenne Tower with its unique twisting shape. Dubai Marina isn't just about jaw-dropping architecture. This vibrant district boasts over 200 high-end restaurants, bustling with cuisines from around the globe. You can dine with a view of the sparkling marina, where super yachts dock right next to chic cafes. But it's not just about luxury and excitement. Dubai Marina also offers serene walking paths, perfect for an evening stroll along the water, with the city lights reflecting beautifully off the canal. So whether you're an adventurer, a foodie, or someone seeking a touch of elegance, Dubai Marina is a must-visit. Experience the perfect blend of modernity and coastal charm in the heart of Dubai.
I think this is a solid video. With a bit more effort, you can make it even more engaging and polished. Now, you can upload the video to your YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram account. All right, friends, that wraps up this video. Before we go, I'd love to hear about your experiences creating videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!